Man versus Raw Fisheye. This one is not a game. Episode 3. How fishy can it really be? The cartilage. I have to snap because the cartilage, you can't eat that. If you had a gobstopper that was left out for 100 years and then deep fried in pig shit, that's probably how it would taste. All the cartilage you can't eat. I'll try and eat the cartilage, but all that juice there. Get that juice up on my fingers. It's not bad. A bit of jelly, and yeah, man wins. As you can see, that's just all cartilage there. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it was raw. If I'm in hospital tomorrow, wish me luck. Peace out.